Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice. First, measure out 1 cup of your preferred rice. Place it in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, preventing sticky rice. Next, transfer the rinsed rice to a heavy-bottomed pot and add 1 1/2 cups of water. Stir in a small pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of a neutral oil. Now, place your pot on the stove over medium-high heat and bring the water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid. It is crucial that the lid fits snugly to trap all the steam. Let the rice simmer undisturbed for exactly 18 minutes. Resist the urge to peek or stir, as this releases steam and affects the cooking process. After 18 minutes, turn off the heat completely. Without removing the lid, let the pot sit on the burner for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is essential. It allows the steam to redistribute evenly, resulting in perfectly cooked, separate grains. Once rested, carefully remove the lid. Use a fork to gently fluff the rice from the bottom up. This releases any remaining steam and prevents clumping. Your perfectly cooked rice is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a delicious side dish with your favorite meals. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently with a splash of water to maintain its texture. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.